Most people are wasting chicken feed every single day. But what if your chickens could eat fresh greens for free, from a simple grazing box? This smart DIY chicken grazing box is changing backyard poultry farming by reducing feed costs while improving egg quality and bird health. Instead of relying only on commercial feed, chickens get access to fresh grass, herbs, and nutrient-rich greens grown right inside a controlled grazing container. It's simple, affordable, and perfect for beginners who want healthier chickens and lower expenses. To build a healthy grazing box, place it in a bright outdoor area where chickens can safely access it for a few hours daily. Most forage plants like wheatgrass, clover, alfalfa, and fast-growing greens thrive in 4 to 7 hours of sunlight. The ideal temperature range is between 18 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, which helps greens grow quickly and stay tender for feeding. Watering is the secret to continuous feed production. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never flooded. Light watering once or twice a day during hot weather helps grass regrow faster, while cooler seasons may only need watering every other day. Proper drainage is essential because waterlogged soil can kill roots and reduce feed production. To keep the grazing box productive, add natural compost or mild organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. This boosts nutrient density in the grass, which directly improves chicken health, egg strength, and feather quality. Avoid chemical fertilizers because chickens will be consuming these plants directly. Regular trimming is important for regrowth. When grass reaches optimal height, allow chickens to graze for short periods, then give the box time to recover. This rotation system keeps plants healthy and prevents overgrazing. Healthy grass grows back thicker, providing a continuous natural feed source. Beginners may notice issues like patchy growth, dry soil, or chickens scratching too aggressively. These problems are easy to fix. Patchy grass usually means uneven sunlight or poor seed distribution, while dry soil indicates insufficient watering. If chickens disturb roots too much, add a protective mesh layer to allow regrowth while still letting them feed safely. This chicken grazing box is more than just a feeding system. It's a smart farming upgrade. It reduces feed costs, improves chicken nutrition, and creates a sustainable cycle of natural food production right in your backyard. So instead of buying more feed every week, build this simple grazing box and let nature do the work for you. Healthier chickens, better eggs, and lower costs, all from one easy DIY setup. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, watch full video on Nature Nurture Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's keep growing together.